In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and replacing a rear axle U-joint on a Ford Explorer. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing the retaining bolts from the drive shaft to the pinion flange. Alright, as you can see, this is a kind of a strange looking bolt head there. That's going to take only a 12-point socket. It's a 12 point, 12 millimeter. I have my 3/8 drive ratchet. There are 4 of them. Let's go ahead and break them loose. It's okay at this point in time to take them all the way out. The bolts are your typical lefty-loosey, righty-tighty variety. That there is the proper method for removing your drive shaft to pinion flange bolts. And repeat the process for the remaining 3.